Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about how to make a room divider in SketchUp. Okay, I have been prepared for this room before, and now I have to teach to all of you about how to make a basic shape of the room divider. Anyway, then you have to select this tool. You can use a rectangle for the first, then you can set the any size. I put 2000 and 2000 for the length and 600 for the room divider width. Anyway, it's approximately like this. And then you have to push it up until the height as you want, or until get a proper height. It's around 500 millimeter, right? Then you have to make it group anyway, and if you think it's too weird, you can just make it small with a push or the scale. I use a push tool to make it smaller than before. It's around 300 millimeter, right? Then you can make another shelf in this room divider. You can set the thickness of the shelf is around 330 and 38 millimeter, and just make it group. Okay, you have to make it group, and then move and press control, move and adjust the position as you want, and you can move again and adjust, and just press control to duplicate and move again until the count of the divider as you want. Then you can adjust the size of each shelf with a scale. You can adjust the size with the scale, something like this. Okay, and you can adjust the upper shelf, something like this. And then after that you can make some more interesting pattern, more interesting shape anyway. And to start this drawing, you have to make a basic workspace with a rectangle anyway, and just make it group, and then you can scale it as unit. Okay, and then you can make a basic pattern in this area with a 2-point arc. With a 2-point arc, you can select this line, and then you can adjust it. You can set the number of segment. It's around 100 segment. Just press enter, something like this, and then you can continue it with a 2-point arc also. Okay, maybe something like this. Then you can move it to the left side. You can move it on the left side, and then you can offset it more. You can offset it something like this, and then you can delete this bottom shape. Then you can make modification or more various shape with something like this. Then you can see the difference. You can see the difference of the shape than before. Then you can just make a line with a green axis. Then you can move it on the right or the left side as you want. Maybe you can move it on the left side more, maybe something like this. And then you can delete this line, and then you can make a close line. You can complete the line. You can complete the line with this tool. Okay, you can use a pen line. So you can erase some unnecessary object, and then you can erase this plane anyway. Then you can push it to the back. You can push it to the back with any thickness as you want or as you need. Then you can make it component, and then just create it, and then you have to move and press control it. Then position it on appropriate position, and after that you can make a material, synthetic surface, and a formica laminated light, something like this. Then you can adjust all of component to the same material, or you can modification the material as you want anyway, or you can make it more curvy anyway. make it more curvy with a 2-point arc also. Okay, in both of corner, and then you can push it down until it could be a curvy corner in this chrome divider anyway. And also you can make it curvy also, something like this. You can use a push or pull, and you can curvy corner also, curvy corner. You just push it down, and you can continue to all of self in here, and just push it down again, and you can just continue it, and you can just push it down again. Okay, anyway, okay, it is a room divider. This is a room divider. I hope you get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.